Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and I'm here with Tony from Milwaukee Power Tools. How you doing, Tony?
I'm doing well today.
Now, Milwaukee's been around a very long time, but you have a new line of garden tools, lawn and garden tools, and in front of us we have the string trimmer. Can you give us a little 411 about this thing?
Absolutely. So this is a great string trimmer to meet all of your trimming and edging needs. This product delivers the power to clear thick brush, so it's able to take on the most demanding string trimming applications. It reaches full throttle in under 1 second, so immediately when you pull that trigger, you're getting a throttle response for more control and productivity. And it also has a very balanced design. So when you pick this tool up, if you grab it right at the bail handle, the center of gravity is directly here where you want it to be. A lot of battery-powered competitors will put the motor at the front of the tool, which makes it front heavy. With gas solutions, you've got that large engine on the back of the tool. We have great weight distribution here. So center of gravity is right here at the bail handle, makes it very easy to maneuver, also reduces end user fatigue.
This unit also has the ability to do adjustable cutting and speeds, correct?
Exactly. So we've got high and low speed settings here. So your low speed is going to be sufficient power for standard grass trimming, whereas high is going to be enough power to clear thick brush. We also have a variable speed trigger, so in whatever speed setting you're in, you have full control over that speed range. But as you move down the unit, we've got an adjustable cutting swath. So you can be in 14-inch, which is going to maximize your runtime, and then 16-inch is going to deliver the maximum clearing power as well as cut capacity. Then last thing to hit on is our easy load trimmer head. So very easy line loading. You can load up to 25 feet of trimmer line in under 30 seconds without disassembling the head.
Okay, so this is a battery-operated tool. Obviously, a lot of the handle can be adjusted based on, I'm taller than you, so maybe I want that handle in a different spot. And once you get it set, you get that balance. But talk about the battery and what you can use that battery on. It isn't just exclusive to this trimmer.
Yeah, that's the great thing about our M18 platform with this battery right here. When you buy into this, it's not just outdoor power equipment. We have a range of solutions that work on the same battery. So over 200 tools that are fully compatible, like this drill or Sawzall right here.
But other garden tools as well.
Absolutely, we've got a full lineup. So the great thing about this product, when you invest in this, it's not just a string trimmer. So you actually have the future capability of adding on other attachments. So this power head here is fully compatible with our Quik-Lok attachments. All you have to do is loosen this knob, hit the quick release, and you can take out the string trimmer attachment to turn it into an edger, hedge trimmer, a pole saw. So completing a wider range of applications for all of your outdoor needs.
And for the consumer then, you don't have to buy the whole thing, you just have to buy the tool to insert it, which actually saves them a little money.
Absolutely, much lower cost of investment. Also much easier to store these smaller attachment solutions versus dedicated tools for each outdoor task.
Right. Talk to me a little bit about the run time. Now, if that is fully charged, how much time typically could I be using this trimmer?
So you're going to see a little bit of a range. We do have an adjustable cutting swath, so you could be at 14-inch to 16-inch. It is also compatible with 080 diameter trimmer line and 095. So when you're in a 14-inch cutting swath with the smaller line, you're going to get about 45 minutes in standard grass trimming.
Wow.
Once you go to that more aggressive 16-inch setup with the 095-inch diameter trimmer line, you're going to get about 30 minutes in standard grass trimming.
Yeah.
So easily able to complete a full property worth of trimming on a single charge.
Yeah, very cool. All right, check out the full line of Milwaukee Power Tools at acehardware.com. If you'd like more information, you can also stop by your local Ace Hardware store because Ace is the helpful place.